Please support my free channel by giving your like, subscribing, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you. Dasavataram. The 10 avatars which Lord Vishnu took to save us is called Dasavataram. Mahavishnu took the form of a fish to retrieve the 4 Vedas which were stolen and kept under the ocean. This fish avatar, Matsya avatar, was the first of the Dasavataram. After completion of one yugam and before the beginning of the next yugam, Lord Brahma, who was involved in the creative job, was exhausted and went to sleep. The 4 Vedas inside jumped out from the open mouth of Lord Brahma, who was in a deep slumber. Somaguru, an evil Asura, caught the 4 Vedas and took them deep under the ocean in hiding. As Lord Brahma could not continue the work of creation without the 4 Vedas, he prayed to Lord Mahavishnu to save and bring back the 4 Vedas. Mahavishnu took the form of fish to go under the sea to retrieve the 4 Vedas, and this avataram was called Matsya avataram. He took the form of a small fish and jumped into the kamandalam of his disciple Satyavrata. When his disciple was performing Sandhya Vandanam, Mahavishnu slowly came out of the kamandalam and jumped into the sea. The fish became bigger and bigger and bigger and finally became so big and fought the Somaguru Asura and retrieved the 4 Vedas. As Lord Mahavishnu took the form of fish, he is named as Matsya Narayanan, and as he retrieved the 4 Vedas, he is also called as Veda Narayana Swami in this temple situated in Nagalapuram. Nagalapuram is a town situated in Chittoor district of Andhra Pradesh. It is 80 kilometers from the city of Chennai. As the King Krishna Deva Raya of Vijayanagara dynasty wanted to felicitate his mother Nagamamba Devi, he renamed this place, which was Harikandapuram, into Nagalapuram. This temple in Nagalapuram is styled by the Vijayanagara architecture, in which the main idol is Lord Veda Narayanan with his consorts Sri Devi, Sri Bhudevi. Lord Matsya Narayanan is in the form of half human, half fish. As Lord Mahavishnu in the form of fish had to swim under the cold ocean, his body became numb with chillness. To warm up Lord Mahavishnu, which was in the form of Deva Narayanan in this temple, Sun God embraces the Lord with his bright sun rays for 3 days in a year. These 3 days are celebrated as Surya Puja Utsavam every year. Falguni month is the month in which this miracle appears. It also ushers in the summer season. In these 3 days, the sun rays begin to travel from Gopuram in the morning to the Sanctum Sanctorum in the evening. From 6 p.m. to 6:15 p.m., sun rays fall directly on the Lord's feet on the first day, on the Lord's stomach and chest on the second day, and head and crown of the Lord on the third day. This temple of Lord Veda Narayanan, Lord Matsya Narayanan in Nagalapuram of Chittoor district in Andhra Pradesh is a place to be visited by all. Please support my free channel by giving your like, subscribing, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.